Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery in your standard wireless door transmitter. Locate your door or window sensor. Note, the larger of the two pieces contains the battery. Before you begin, make sure your system is disarmed and let the monitoring center know you'll be doing maintenance. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a new CR123A lithium battery. Locate the slot at the bottom of the transmitter. Insert your screwdriver and gently pry the cover away from the base. Lift the cover off the device, taking note of the side the cover hinges at. Take care not to break the plastic tabs. Inside, you'll see the CR123A lithium battery. Note the orientation of the battery, with the positive end facing the marked terminal. Carefully lift it out and set it aside for proper recycling. Take your new CR123A battery and insert it into the holder, making sure the positive and negative ends match the markings inside the device. Press it in firmly until it's secure, and make sure the prongs at either end are touching the battery. Align the cover with the base, taking note of which the cover hinged at, and press it back into place until it is in the closed position. Resecure the screw, taking care to not over-tighten. Ensure it's flush on all sides. Open and close the door or window to test the transmitter to your keypad. The low battery warning should clear automatically after a few minutes. And that's it! Your door sensor is now operating with a fresh battery. Thanks for watching.